Hey everyone. So I've pulled a card for you all out there today, asking what you need to let go of to manifest your ideal relationship with your specific person, and the Queen of Swords came through. And so this is all about what you need to let go of is any thoughts that tell you that you can't have the relationship that you want with your SP. Any thoughts that are not in alignment with what you actually want, like he doesn't love me, he doesn't prioritize me, he doesn't want to know me, I'm not important to him, all of those kind of thoughts. You need to literally cut those thoughts out of your subconscious mind and step into your queen energy, knowing that you are the queen, you are a priority, you are chosen, you are important, all of those kinds of things. You are a goddess. Who wouldn't want to love me? All of those kinds of thoughts, they are what need to be activated within you and really connect with that queen energy and draw that ideal relationship with your SP that you want. Okay, so we're releasing all the thoughts that no longer serve you in manifesting what you actually want. So let me know in the comments below, what thoughts are you letting go of that are not in alignment with what you want? And then let me know the thoughts that you are now going to activate. Like I said, I am chosen, I am wanted, I am adored, I am cherished. All the good thoughts. And activate that ideal relationship with your specific person. All right, if you've liked the reading, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you're notified of upcoming readings and videos that I do. And I'll chat to you all soon. Bye.